morning, buongiorno everybody. Welcome in this most beautiful day of the year. Why? Look what we have. Look at this. We have potatoes. That's all what we managed to gather, but we will have more. So it works. We tried it. This is not the best, I know, but I'm very excited because we have potatoes and they're ours and we can eat them. How about that? I show you what is happening. So we remove the potatoes. Sorry, my back is, I'm walking like this. My back is killing me already. We remove the potatoes. And now we're gonna plant new potatoes. And we're working really hard to do that. And look who is there. I'm not on my own. Look, there is Max. Max, hello.
Hello.
That's Max.
Etienne.
Etienne. And Ivana. Look. And I don't want to fall, it's far away. We're digging all this trench to put new potatoes. No? Are we excited about new potatoes?
Yeah.
You know what? We're gonna eat them today. How about that?
Yeah.
How fresher you can eat. When I went to the kitchen, Kinga said, "Where is the potato?" I said, "What, you want to cook them now?" I said, "Yeah." So yeah, we're gonna eat potatoes.
Awesome.
So yeah, great job. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and still stay tuned for more crazy stuff.